Greetings from IFA 2019 here in Berlin. I'm here at the Samsung Galaxy Fold stand, and I understand this has nothing to do with VR, but still I'm going to try out the Samsung Galaxy Fold now for the very first time. Can you come a bit closer to the camera? Unfold device and explore. All right.
You can already. So that's a front screen with 4.6 inches.
Okay.
We can use maps because we are new in Berlin and we need to know where we are. But the screen is a little bit small.
It's a bit small, yeah.
Yeah, so we open it up.
I open it up now.
Just easily.
Oh wow. Okay. Yeah, that's much better.
That's much better.
That's way better.
Now we can see where we are, where we need to go, because our coworker is waiting for us. So we write a message.
Okay, so you can have two apps at the same time, or more.
We want to listen to some music, so we put some music on.
Oh, cool! So yeah, that's much better.
That's much better.
So you have, how many apps can you have there? Three. Oh, three is enough.
It's multi-window active.
Okay, so I can you can turn them around.
Turn them around.
Okay, wow.
And once on your front screen, this is the main screen right here.
Okay.
If you close it up, you have it already on the front.
Okay, so I just do it like this. Okay.
Yes.
So one is the main app. So on the left is the main app.
Yes.
So I
it's
close.
already on the left. If you close it now, we have the maps.
This is really cool. It's like a candy bar. Okay, cool. And how often? And how often can I open and close it?
They tested like 200,000 times.
200,000 times.
It will be 100 times each day.
Okay.
Like for 5 years.
All right. Okay, that's enough, I think.
I think that's enough, really.
And so there was a problem before, and now Samsung solved it. Do you know what was the problem?
I think there was not really a problem. It was a test because it's the first of the kind, of course.
Yes.
And they see, the display layer was a little bit smaller.
Okay.
And that's why people start to rip it off because they don't like it was something on top. They need to rip it off.
Right.
Now we make the display layer a little bit bigger and put it under the bezel.
Yeah.
So it's under the bezel and we can't even...
You can't peel it off,
no,
even if I try to.
I think if you try, you can do it, but I wouldn't.
Oh wow, this looks
now
much
you
better
don't
as
see
well.
it anymore.
Exactly, yeah. This looks amazing, actually.
And even behind.
Wow, this is so cool, really. This is so nice. I want one. How expensive is this?
We reduce, of course, the gap right here.
Okay. How much is this device? How expensive is it? Do you know?
I can tell you how much it will be in Germany. I think it's like 2,000 till 2,200, but I can guarantee it.
Okay.
We will see it on the 18th of September.
18th of September in Germany.
In Germany.
Okay, good. Exactly. Wow, this is really, really cool. Actually, to hold it in your hand, it looks better than I imagined it. Actually, it's not so heavy, and
It's easy to do.
this is the cool part now. That you can have like 3 different apps on it, and okay, how can I make this just the maps again?
Close everything just a second.
Yeah. Oh, it's just a normal Android.
It's a regular Android.
Yes, it's just normal Android, exactly.
We want to go again to the
maps.
apps.
Oh yeah. Wow, yeah, this is really nice. Cool. Do you have a YouTube here? Can I open YouTube?
Of course, you can use it.
Okay, YouTube now.
And you can
Oh yes. This is really great for watching movies, Netflix and stuff. Okay. Oh yeah, right. Oh, it's quite loud.
Yeah.
And so strange to have such a big display suddenly. I want to get to the screen where I can search on YouTube.
Yes. There.
Oh, everything is so huge.
Oh, you can even change.
That's me.
Oh, amazing!
Yeah. Yes, this is me on the Galaxy Fold. Wow, I like it.
Amazing. And you look beautiful on the phone.
Yeah, I do. I do look much better than in reality.
Oh, I want to say that. And I don't say that.
Wow, I like it. Okay, so I'm really surprised by the phone, and I didn't imagine it to be so nice. Because when I saw it on videos, it looked kind of like, yeah, not so impressive, but holding it in your hand and seeing yourself on YouTube is pretty amazing. And I think 2,000 euros, it's tough, but it's probably I should get it. Yeah, so this is the Galaxy Fold, available in Germany September 18th, around 2,000 euro. And this has nothing to do with VR, but anyways, since I'm here at IFA, I still want to show you this very impressive technology. If you like this channel, then absolutely subscribe, and of course, if you